This is how I decorated a wooden house in time for Christmas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. So while I was getting ready to paint this house, look what was going on with the little Christmas tree downstairs. Hello everybody, here's this little house that I painted. It is made of wood. I added some details and used some three-dimensional paint for the snow. So I used acrylic paint for this little project. And I just want to let you know how fun and easy it is. And I really wanted to show you this video just in case I didn't get it out before Christmas. But I do have a how-to so that way you can try it.